what I want to do is sort of point out, like, this is what happens if I have gone to Excel and I have asked it to make a line chart of the data. Yeah, sorry. Just making sure this is actually what I want to be looking at. Oh, don't we love it going live stream and wobbling in real time? Okay, so this is what happens when Excel makes a line chart. It's also what happens when Google Sheets does it too. Okay, so what I want to note is that we've got 1992, 1994, 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 99, 2000, and they are all equally spaced. We've got each of our rows of this data table all equally spaced showing up here. But there's a problem, right? There is a difference in time between 1994 and 1995 and 1992 and 1994. But on this representation, when we select line chart, line graph, what is it that it actually shows us? Just line. Excel calls it a line. It reads it in equal spacings, meaning it kind of reads each of these years as basically a category, not as a number. Okay, so this other thing that I kind of jumped down too quickly, let me go back to it. This is what the data look like if we take the exact same data and if we plot it as a connected scatter in Excel. And so what are we seeing? Now there's a visual. 1993 shows up on our x-axis, on our horizontal, because it is reading the year as a number. And therefore, that number sequence, 1993 comes after 1992 and comes before 1994. And so if you have time series data that you are working with your students, and there are gaps in timing, like there was in that example Penguin data set that I just showed you, where we didn't have case counts from 1993. Now, I just kind of created this example data set to show you this reality of a line, selecting line in Excel and Google Sheets works until it doesn't.